Tables can help us organizing information in a more visual manner. And in this video, I'll guide you through the best way and the easiest way to make a table and add a table into your WordPress pages and posts. So let's dive into it. First thing first, so at first we'll install a plugin, a table plugin in our site so we can easily make the table. So let's go ahead. Go to your plugin section from the dashboard and click into add new. From here, search something like Ninja Tables. Ninja Tables is one of the best free WordPress table builder plugin which helps you create table without writing a single line of code, and you can also style your table as you want. So let's go ahead and install Ninja Tables and now activate it. Now as you can see, the menu Ninja Tables icon is appeared, and let's go to click into Ninja Tables. Now create your first table button to create the table, and this will add a pop-up where you can give your table title. So let's, for example, I'm going to add this title, and you can add a table description if you want, and you can show or hide the table description into your table from the settings options of Ninja Table. If you need a table description, just add it. Now click add. So before clicking add, I want to let you know that within Ninja Tables you can create table from various sources. For example, you can import a table from a CSV file. You can connect Fluent Forms, a form builder plugin which will show the submitted entries in the front end. You can create a table using WordPress Posts. You can connect your Google Sheet and display it into your WordPress pages or post. You can connect an external CSV, and also you can write some custom SQL query which will fetch data from any external server and or from your server, and it will show, and you can show it into your front end of pages and posts. So now let's go ahead and click add. We'll create just a basic table so that you can get the introduction how you can create a beautiful table, and then you can take a deeper dive and create your table. So every table has columns, so let's add some column. What kind of table you are making, based on that you can name the column. I'm just going to name the column as column 1 and add. Now click on this button, add column. This column is added, and now we can add another column. Add the column, and I will add another column. So in total, I have 3 columns in my table, and now I will add the data. These columns are the headers. You can give the name appropriate to the table you are building for any purpose. So now I can add the data into the column. So to add data into the column, just click on this add data button, and all of the 3 columns will be shown to add the data. So I'll write something data for column 1, and I'll copy this and paste this into here, and then I'll change 1 to 2. So this is data for column 2, and again I'll add the data for column 3. So now you can add the column. If you click this continue adding, then after adding this column, this pop-up will show again also, so that you can add more data into your column. So as you can see, the first data set is added, and now again you can add more data. So I'll write something like more data for column 1 and more data for column 2 and more data for column 3. I'll add another data set. and I'll remove this because I don't want to add any more data. And now I'll click add, and the pop-up is gone. So now your table is created in the backend, and now you want to display this table into your WordPress pages or post. You can do this in various ways. I'll show you the simplest ways. So for example, I want to display the column into any of the posts. So I'll add a new post here. And I'll write something like and now from these blocks I will search for a block named shortcode, and inside this shortcode I will paste the shortcode of the table which Ninja table gives you, and here is the shortcode. If you just click it, it will be copied to your clipboard. Now go ahead and paste the clipboard here. Now click on the publish button and the post is published. Let's view the post and also the table. As you can see, here's the column 1, column 2, column 3 and the data set for the columns. You can also add the table by adding the blocks provided by Ninja table. So search for something like Ninja tables, and here all of your table will be listed. So I want to show the first table, and I will remove this one, update it, and reload the page again. This will not make any difference because it's the same, adding the shortcode with the shortcode block or using the Ninja tables custom block, it's just the same. Now I'll go to the table again and show you some other options. You might not want to show this simple table, you might want some kind of design, or so to this go to the table design option and you will see bunch of the styling option available here, and just go ahead and explore all of the available styles. So for example, fixed layout, if you select fixed layout, the table will be fixed, and that's it. I might want to change some colors of the table. So here's the colors option. So by default, the default is selected. You can select the red, and actually it's a pro feature. You have to upgrade to pro. No, it's a free feature actually. If you want this customization, for example, this column color you want to change, or this cell color you want to change, then you have to upgrade, and you can customize each and every part of the table. I will add a link below the description of this video, and it's an affiliate link. If you click into the link, I might get some commission, and it's just okay if you do not click. Go ahead and get the pro version if you want. The free version is very good, and for simple table, free version is just enough. But if you want some advanced kinds of table, you might need the pro version, and it's actually not costly. So let's update the setting and go to the front end, and let's check how the tables look like.